Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for an exam. First, let's talk about planning. Creating a solid study schedule is crucial. It helps you allocate specific times for each subject, ensuring comprehensive coverage. Break down large topics into smaller, more manageable sections to make learning less overwhelming. Don't forget to gather all your essential materials like notes, textbooks, and previous assignments before you begin. This organized approach sets a strong foundation for effective learning and reduces last-minute stress. Now, let's dive into effective study methods. Actively reviewing your notes and summarizing key concepts in your own words significantly boosts retention. Don't just read, engage with the material. Practice with sample questions and past papers to pinpoint areas where you need more work. A great technique is to explain difficult topics aloud, as if teaching someone else. This process solidifies your understanding and improves your ability to recall information during the actual exam. To truly boost your memory, consider using flashcards for definitions, formulas, and important facts. They are incredibly effective for quick recall. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps every 30 to 45 minutes, to prevent burnout and maintain focus. And critically, prioritize your sleep. Aim for at least 8 hours each night, as adequate rest is essential for your brain to consolidate information and perform optimally on exam day. Finally, let's prepare for exam day itself. On the morning of the exam, do a quick review of your summary notes, focusing on key points rather than trying to learn new material. Ensure you eat a nutritious breakfast and stay well hydrated. This fuels your brain. Arrive at the exam location a bit early to settle in, find your seat, and calm any last-minute nerves. A relaxed mind performs much better under pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.